On September 5, 1977, NASA sent a small spacecraft into the sky, Voyager 1. What began as a bold attempt to explore Jupiter and Saturn soon became one of the greatest adventures in human history. Voyager 1 was launched alongside its twin, Voyager 2, both designed to study the distant planets and reveal the mysteries of the outer reaches of our solar system. But no one at the time imagined how far this single probe would eventually travel, or how dramatically it would expand our understanding of the cosmos. Even though it was built with technology from the 1970s, Voyager 1 quickly proved itself to be far ahead of its time. It delivered humanity's first close-up examinations of the gas giants, showing Jupiter's chaotic storms, Saturn's rings in astonishing detail, and the restless surfaces of moons that no one had ever seen clearly before. Its original mission was supposed to last barely 5 years. Instead, the spacecraft has survived for nearly half a century, journeying more than 14 billion miles away from Earth. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed a boundary astronomers had long theorized about: the heliopause, the frontier where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. With this milestone, it became the first human-made object to truly leave the solar system behind. Now drifting through a realm controlled by forces outside our Sun's protection, Voyager keeps sending back priceless scientific data. It is giving researchers their first direct look at the interstellar medium, a vast ocean of charged particles, energetic cosmic rays, fluctuating magnetic fields, and space weather untouched by the solar wind. Among its most puzzling findings are unusual plasma vibrations, sudden energy surges, and particle behaviors that don't match existing theories. Some scientists even suggest these strange readings might hint at dark matter interactions or unknown physical processes. One of the most debated discoveries involves repeating, structured signal patterns detected by Voyager's instruments. They are unlike random cosmic noise, and their consistency has sparked major discussion. Many believe these signals come from natural plasma behavior, but others wonder whether they could be hints of artificial transmissions or remnants of hidden cosmic structures. Despite a communication delay of nearly 19 hours each way, and a power source that weakens every year, Voyager 1 continues to function thanks to its radioactive generators. NASA has strategically shut down non-critical systems to keep its key instruments alive for as long as possible. The spacecraft has endured intense radiation, extreme cold near -400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the grinding passage of time. Yet it continues its lonely mission, defying expectations. Voyager also revealed that the heliopause isn't a fixed wall, it shifts as the Sun's activity cycles. During solar peaks, the boundary expands outward. During quieter cycles, interstellar pressure pushes it inward. This breathing frontier has reshaped the way scientists understand the relationship between our solar system and the galaxy surrounding it. But Voyager's mission is not just scientific, it is deeply human. Attached to the spacecraft is the Golden Record, a message for any intelligent life that might one day find it. Filled with music, natural sounds, greetings in dozens of languages, and images of life on Earth, it is a time capsule of humanity's identity and hope. Among Voyager's most haunting achievements are its plasma wave recordings, ionized particles vibrating in deep space, translated into sound. Recently, researchers noticed repeating structures in these waves, raising questions about whether they hint at hidden cosmic processes we have yet to understand. Some scientists at SETI even suggest, speculatively, that advanced civilizations might use interstellar plasma as a communication medium. If true, Voyager could one day detect patterns shaped by minds other than our own. Whether that happens or not, Voyager's mission has already transformed our understanding of the universe. It inspired new generations of explorers and directly influenced modern projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send tiny light-powered spacecraft to Alpha Centauri within decades. Voyager 1 gave us historic discoveries, erupting volcanoes on Io, Saturn's intricate ring patterns, and the transformation of distant dots into entire worlds. And of course, it sent home the iconic pale blue dot image, showing Earth as a fragile, tiny speck suspended in a sunbeam, a reminder of how small and precious our world truly is. Voyager's journey is not only a scientific achievement, it is a reflection of something deeply human. It represents courage, the quiet kind that comes from believing the impossible is worth attempting. It represents curiosity, the force that pushes us to ask what lies beyond the next star, the next boundary, the next unknown. And above all, it represents the desire of an entire species to look up at the night sky and imagine a place for itself among the galaxies. For decades, Voyager 1 has continued onward through the coldest, darkest regions of space. Regions where sunlight is only a distant memory, where temperatures plunge far below anything Earth has ever known. Yet the spacecraft remains in motion, a tiny spark of human invention drifting through the vast cosmic sea. Its power weakens, its instruments grow old, but it refuses to fall silent. Every signal it sends is a reminder that somewhere out there, humanity dared to leave its cradle. And as it moves deeper into the interstellar void, Voyager becomes more than metal and circuitry. It becomes a messenger. A silent ambassador carrying our languages, our music, our heartbeat, and our view of the universe. It holds our laughter, our hopes, and even our fears, etched into a golden record, waiting for any curious mind that may one day find it. No other machine carries such a message across such a distance. In this way, Voyager is not just exploring space. It is keeping our story alive. Each faint transmission that returns to Earth is astonishing. Traveling billions of miles across empty space, these tiny signals whisper back to us, telling us what lies at the edge of the known universe. In those whispers, we hear more than scientific data. We hear the echo of our own desire to understand. We hear proof that despite the darkness between the stars, we are still connected. And with every message, Voyager tells us something else, that the universe is far larger, far stranger, and far more beautiful than we ever imagined. Why does this matter? Because Voyager reminds us that exploration is part of who we are. Long before rockets and laboratories, humans looked at the stars with wonder. We crossed oceans, climbed mountains, mapped continents, not because we needed to, but because something inside us demanded to know what was out there. Voyager is the modern expression of that same ancient impulse. It shows that even with limited tools and a small blue world as our home, we dared to reach far beyond our horizon. And one day, perhaps millions of years from now, long after Earth has changed, long after our cities have faded, Voyager will still be drifting through the galaxy. It may pass by new stars, new worlds, and places where no human eyes will ever look. It will continue carrying the memory of who we were, proof that for a brief moment in cosmic time, a species on a small planet reached outward and said, "We are here." Its journey teaches us that humanity is capable of greatness, even when the challenges seem impossible. Voyager proves that small steps can lead to unimaginable distances. It shows that courage can outlast generations. It reveals that hope can travel across billions of miles. So as we listen to its fading heartbeat from the edge of interstellar space, we are reminded that the story is not over. We are still learning, still exploring, still dreaming. And in that dream lies the future of our species. Thank you for watching. If Voyager's legacy inspires you, if it reminds you how far curiosity can take us, then stay with us. Subscribe for more journeys to the frontiers of science, space, and human imagination, where every story begins with the same question that launched Voyager: what lies beyond?